We're getting right back into this framing project today and going to try to figure out and finish up this closet area. This is getting really exciting because the home is taking shape. This mobile home started out like it was a dump, okay? And most people would think it has no value, probably needs to be torn down, thrown away. But we went through and fixed all the rot, all the decay, and to see all this new framing coming in is transformational. This is really fun seeing this new layout take place because we didn't just gut it, but we created a whole new layout, and it's going to be really cool. And after we get the layout all done, once all the interior walls are framed, we're going to do a tour. We're going to show you guys our new layout. So before we can do that, I just have to finish these walls up. Alright guys, we got this all framed up. Perfect fit.
Cool. Super perfect.
This looks good. This is so tight, but it's not tight. It went in so smooth. But all the lines line up, and I love to see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it secured into place on all four sides, and that wall will be done. We got another one done. Where's that little broom?
It's over there.
Little tiny closet here we're building. Okay, well we just got that wall in place, and that forms our second closet. So we have a closet behind, closet in front, and this is a small one obviously. Whew. The layout is coming together. Now I'm gonna work kind of behind the scenes for a little while on the closet because I gotta build a ceiling inside here. This is just sitting up here, that's not attached, but basically I need to close in the top of this, and I'm not exactly sure how that's going to work out, so I'm just going to work on that right now. and see what I can come up with. And then we'll work from there, but this is almost done. Well, you might be able to see that I got some framing done up there. We built a wall so that I could insulate between that attic and the room. But I'm gonna stop there. I also got this built out so that we could have a closet doorway. But I'm not sure how I want to frame it out going forward. I got to get some measurements at something, so I'll have to go home and measure out, because actually we were thinking about installing mini splits in this room, and I'm thinking if I can squeeze it in, and it might be hard because we don't have height up there, and I know it looks small, but if I could squeeze it in, I'm going to leave a cove up there so that the mini split can be set in above the closet. Does that make sense? That way it's not jutting out into the room as far. But it's going to be so close to the ceiling, I'm not sure if it's going to even work. So that's why I need measurements before I carry on. If I can't fit it in there, I might just close it all in, box it out completely. So that's done for now. The closet doorway on the other side, that little one, I still have to box in the top, but I need some wood that I don't have because I need to space it out, and I need some 1x4s. Aside from some of that technical framing, this end of the house is complete as far as framing goes. Well, room framing. I do have a couple 2x4s I gotta throw in over here. I'll do that before I leave. So now all that's left is this end of the house. And there will be one more wall with some closets in it. So I'm gonna get that bottom plate cut. I got a 16-foot 2x4 up there that I can use for that. Get it cut down, marked out, and we'll figure out our first wall in this part of the house. We're almost done with framing. Oh boy, well I'll tell you, it hasn't been very eventful. This has been a slow planning process, but we've gotten a lot done today. And I feel bad, I feel like we need to wrap this up because we had a long work day today. And I don't have much to share with you guys. I wish there was like so much more progress, but sometimes progress is in the planning, and you can see, check this out. This part was tricky for me because we are framing a 3-dimensional closet, multiple closets, on a sloped peaked ceiling. So I've been taking my time to make sure we get all the pieces laid out, and this is where the top plates will be. This is the walls. And you can see that we got the floors laid out right underneath as well. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna have a closet, that's gonna be a doorway over there. It's coming out okay. It gives me an idea of what would we have, what I might need, what I'm going to do going forward. I wanted to get all this planning done today so that I could come on another day and start framing.
Yeah,
and not be
stuck
doing like slow, tedious, mental draining things, because this will drain you mentally.
Yeah.
And if I had to come and do this, it's going to wear me out before I even get framing. So this is good. Now it's like all complete. It's going to be a lot easier moving forward.
Next time will be fun.
Since we're framing a wall with a big closet in it, I think you guys can guess what's going down here. We're totally rearranging this house.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do a tour later. We're gonna show you the layout, but this was your idea.
Yeah.
And we're gonna make it happen. That's it. I mean, we need to do another lumber shop. There's not enough wood here to even start. I mean, we could start, but it's not gonna get far.
Yeah, we should figure out how many we'll need so that next time we can finish it.
Yeah. And once this is finished, the house is ready for wiring, plumbing, and insulation.
Yep.
So that'll all be coming soon. It's been a process, but we're on track. We said like maybe this house would take us a year and a half to do under ideal conditions. Where are we at on our timeline?
I don't know.
How long have we been working? I have no idea.
Like from when we gutted it?
From when we said that. I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
We're gonna have to look back and see how we're doing on our timeline, because I'm not really sure. We've had a lot of projects going on at home. We had to take some time off because you got in a accident.
Yeah.
And had an injury that she had to take care of for a few days, and still swollen. She has a swollen ankle. And
I was not able to walk that good.
So
Pain.
So that put us a little bit, I don't want to say behind. There's no timeline. We're not behind. It just we had to take some time off, and
it's doing better though.
Yeah, we're
couple days. It's getting there.
We're trying to get back on track. So I think that we're just going to close it out. So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting us as we rebuild this mobile home. We're going to save it. We're going to bring it back to life.
Yep.
And we're going to do something with it.
But we're not renting it.
We're not renting it.
And no Airbnb.
Yeah. And no, we're not moving into it.
Yeah.
Technically.
Right.
Okay. So that's all. Thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.
Bye.
Bye.